Hi and welcome. Today I want to introduce my new DaVinci Resolve trivia game. It's a web-based game. I'm developing it also for Android, but currently it's available in a web-based format. In this trivia game, we have different modes: quick play, which is 10 random questions for casual practice; exam prep, 20 time questions. By topic, you can select whatever topic you want to practice in. There is a survival game, daily challenges, study mode, achievements, and settings. And you can use this as fun DaVinci Resolve trivia, or also as the general knowledge about DaVinci Resolve. There is also a leaderboard. You can have local and global leaderboard. Yeah, try it out. If you like it, I'm going to add more and more questions. Right now it contains just about 1,000 questions related to DaVinci Resolve, all aspects of DaVinci Resolve. So everything from color, delivery, editing, Fairlight, Fusion, keyboard shortcuts, media management, and project setup. I'm going to add more questions in the future. Thank you very much. I'll have the link here displayed on this page, and the link is also available in my community tab. My YouTube channel. Please enjoy and let me know what you think. Thank you very much.